100 push-ups a day. Sounds simple, right? But here's the shocker. Science says daily push-ups could wreck your posture and leave you weaker. We asked experts to dissect the lies behind this trend. The truth? It's not what you think. Everywhere you look, influencers are raving about the 100 push-ups daily challenge, the ultimate shortcut to a chiseled chest and Herculean arms. But behind the hype, trainers, physical therapists, and researchers are sounding the alarm. Today, we're dissecting the science, the secrets, and the safer way to build real strength. First, 1. What 100 daily push-ups actually do to your muscles. The hidden risks no one talks about. And 3. How to avoid wrecking your body while still getting results. Let's get started before you do another rep. At first glance, 100 push-ups seems straightforward, but here's the brutal reality. Your muscles aren't built for daily beatdowns. Without rest, you're sabotaging gains and inviting fatigue. By week 2, your progress plateaus and burnout kicks in. Push-ups work your chest and arms but neglect your back. Over time, this imbalance pulls your shoulders forward. Meet the push-up hunch, a ticking time bomb for your spine. As fatigue sets in, form crumbles. Flared elbows strain rotator cuffs, a sagging core? Hello, lower back pain and your wrists? They weren't designed for this abuse. One wrong move, and you're sidelined for weeks. Let's rewind to week 1. You're sore but motivated. The first 7 days feel like a triumph, your brain and body are adapting fast. But beneath the surface, trouble's brewing. Days 1 to 7 are all about neural adaptations. Your brain learns to recruit muscle fibers more efficiently, like upgrading from dial-up to fiber optic. You'll go from shaky 10 rep sets to hitting 100 daily push-ups faster than you'd think, but here's the catch. These gains aren't muscle growth. It's your nervous system cheating the system. By day 3, your body sends mixed signals. That deep ache in your chest and triceps? That's DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, a normal sign your muscles are adapting to the challenge. But here's the critical warning. If the pain creeps into your upper back or lower back, it's not growth, it's a red flag. Your traps and lower back shouldn't be screaming during push-ups. This pain means your form is breaking down. When your chest and arms fatigue, your body cheats. It hijacks your traps to hoist you up, straining your neck. It lets your core sag, dumping pressure onto your spine. Every rep with poor form isn't building strength, it's digging a hole. As one physical therapist put it, this isn't soreness, it's injury knocking. Compensating with the wrong muscles doesn't just hurt today, it sets the stage for chronic issues, pinched nerves, rotator cuff tears, even herniated discs. So, what's the fix? Reset. Drop to your knees, tighten your core, and squeeze your shoulder blades. If you can't perform a push-up without back or neck strain, reduce the reps. Strength isn't built through pain, it's built through precision. Remember, the goal isn't to hit 100 at all costs. It's to master 10 perfect push-ups today so you can own 20 tomorrow. Your body isn't a machine, it's a partnership. Listen to it. By weeks 2 to 3, progress grinds to a halt, the dreaded plateau. Days 8 to 21 reveal a harsh truth. Daily push-ups don't mean faster gains. A 2017 study found beginners build muscle with just 3 sets twice weekly, proving rest is non-negotiable. But hammering the same muscles daily? Your body hits a wall. Without recovery, muscles can't repair or grow, you're stuck in a cycle of breakdown. As researchers warn, fatigue accumulates, not strength. Daily workouts suppress protein synthesis, the process that rebuilds muscle fibers stronger. By week 2, your nervous system exhausts its efficiency hacks, soreness lingers, and reps feel heavier. This isn't laziness, it's biology. Muscles need 48 hours to adapt. Ignoring this stalls growth and risks overuse injuries. The lesson? More isn't better. Smarter frequency, progressive overload, and rest days unlock real gains. Push-ups aren't the enemy, the daily grind is. By week 4, the reality of the 100 push-ups daily challenge hits hard. Days 22 to 30 reveal a brutal trade-off. While you might gain 3 millimeters of chest muscle, as seen in studies, joint pain and imbalances scream louder. Your wrists ache from repetitive strain, shoulders click with every rep, and fatigue drowns out progress. This minimal growth comes at a cost. Overdeveloped chest muscles pull your shoulders forward, while neglected back muscles, rhomboids, rear delts, weaken, a recipe for hunched posture and injuries like rotator cuff tears. The imbalance isn't just aesthetic, it's functional. Your body craves symmetry. The fix? Balance. Pairing push-ups with rows or rear delt exercises counteracts the strain, realigning posture and protecting joints. Ignoring this turns short-term gains into long-term setbacks. True strength isn't measured in millimeters, it's built on sustainability. Push-ups aren't the villain, but exclusivity is. Train smarter, not harder, and your body, not just your chest, will thank you. The brutal truth? 100 push-ups daily is junk volume, a waste of effort that prioritizes quantity over quality. As trainer Patrick warns, Patrick said stop chasing 100. Do 5 sets short of failure. This keeps form flawless and muscles growing without burnout. For every push-up set, do 20 Superman press-outs. This move strengthens your upper back and rotator cuffs, reversing the push-up hunch and restoring posture. Once 20 reps feel easy, add weight or elevation. Force adaptation, don't just chase numbers. The real win? Discipline, sustainability, progress that doesn't sacrifice your joints. It's not about how many you do, it's about how well you do them. Ditch the junk volume, train smarter, and your body will reward you. For beginners, this challenge is a crash course in consistency. Daily push-ups build discipline, ignite neural adaptations, smoother reps, and require zero equipment. Science shows push-ups rival bench presses for endurance gains, perfect for time-crunched schedules. But daily push-ups sabotage recovery. Muscles need 48 hours to rebuild. Without rest, you're breaking down, not building up. Neglect your back? Hunched shoulders and rotator cuff tears, and 700 reps a week? Your wrists and elbows pay the price. Add rest days. Pair push-ups with rows or Superman press-outs to fix imbalances. Once 20 reps feel easy, add weight or elevation. Remember, 10 perfect push-ups beat 100 sloppy ones. The 100 push-ups challenge can kickstart habits but risks injury and stagnation. For lasting results, prioritize rest, balance, and progression. As Patrick says, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Ditch the junk volume. Your body deserves better. Drop a comment below. Have you tried this challenge, or would you stick to science-backed training? Did it work, or wreck you? Let me know. Hit subscribe for more no BS fitness breakdowns and the real secrets to leveling up your gains. And if you're ready to train smarter, grab my free push-up form guide below. Let's build strength without the injuries. Your journey starts now.